Hey guys, welcome to Cricket's Travel. We are here at the Holiday Inn, Port of Miami, and we're in room 909. We are gonna go in and do a room tour. Got the lights right here. If I can get in. All right. So when you go in, guys, to your right is the closet. You have a safe and a hair dryer. To the left, you have the bathroom. Not bad. Not much counter space. But it'll do for one night. And then go in here. Let's find some lights. Alrighty. We have the television. We have some storage. A microwave. Refrigerator. We have a desk. A chair. Table. Nice sized bed. Couple of lamps. We have some sockets next to the bed, some plugs, an alarm clock. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this room is dated. But for one night, leaving out on a cruise, it'll do what it has to do. This is the view. The view is fantastic, and the location is fantastic. But the room needs some work. It's not bad, it's just dated, just very old and dated. But guys, thank you for looking at this room tour. Please like and subscribe to the channel, please. Trying to grow this channel, and so I need you guys to like, subscribe, and comment. And I'll see you when I see you.